Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful as it contains a wide variety of design ideas related to hand embroidery design ideas, and it covers various aspects, various dimensions and various directions of different uses and different perspectives of hand embroidery design ideas. Yes friends, but before going further into the details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you really like my video, then please don't forget to press the like button. And one more thing friends, I have a very simple request to you, and this is my request which I have been doing and making to you and begging to you that kindly please make a habit of sharing massively my videos with your friends and family and across your social media platforms. But unfortunately, most of you haven't listened to me and are not making my request work. So please kindly do make a habit of sharing my videos massively. So now let's move back to the details of this video. Friends, as far as we are concerned with this video is a very enchanting and classy, because in this video you can see and get crazy amazing design ideas related to 3D hand embroidery, colorful hand embroidery patterns, floral hand embroidery design ideas, girl hand embroidery, 3D hairstyle hand embroidery, landscape hand embroidery, nature inspired hand embroidery, bee embroidery, girl with beer embroidery, real life nature inspired events based embroidery, real life nature inspired real life plants embroidery, and much more. And friends, not only this, a wide variety and a vast collection of very beautiful and classy design ideas like owl design and owl sitting on the tree and with different leaves and branches with a very beautiful stem, and like a woman going out for shopping with a bag full of grocery and fabrics, and a woman having a very beautiful hairstyle enchanted with floral design ideas, some botanical flower gardens, and much more. So my main request and effort to you is that kindly do make a habit of watching my videos on daily basis, watching my content on daily basis, because on daily basis I try my best to share some trendy, amazing and eye-catching design ideas with you to entertain you with a very beautiful, pretty and mesmerizing design ideas. And friends, not only this, kindly visit my channel's playlist hand embroidery design ideas to get more creative design ideas. Now friends, the main effort of the thing, the main essence of the whole video, that where you can use these hand embroidery patterns. So the answer to this question is very simple, very easy, that you can use these very beautiful embroidery patterns for hoop art, for gifting to your loved ones on different occasions like Friendship Day, Mother's Day, Women's Day, Father's Day, family gathering, a wedding gift, and as much as you like to, or for the decoration of your own house. Or you can also make these very beautiful embroidery hoop arts to start up a very new business for you, and you can attract a massive number of large community of large group of audiences and clients, because all of these are very beautiful, like a dating view, girl and boy holding hands with a mature couple embroidery pattern. You can gift it to your older age couples, your friends and family, and much more. So friends, before going into the further details of this video, we have to discuss some important perspectives, that with the help of which type of thread you can make these embroidery patterns. Then the most important concern of our video is the thread, embroidery pattern, and the embroidery articles that you need to make the whole design pattern. Yes friends, so the whole most important thing comes to the point. You can use wool, different sort of thin, thick and medium level wool to embroider these patterns. And not only wool, you can use what? You can use anchor DMC as thread to beautifully design these patterns. And not only this, you can use these design patterns for a wide variety of reasons, for a very beautiful dimensions, like you can use these to design your shirts, t-shirts, to design your face masks. A very beautiful and enchanting view of the 3D embroidery patterns of face masks would absolutely look amazing, crazy, and fantastic. So you can also frame these to decorate your bedrooms, home decor. You can make these very beautiful patterns onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, for giving them a very beautiful and artistic look. Now some nature inspired, some trees, some event based, some house inspired, some very beautiful and fanatic nature based mustard flowers like a girl capturing something with the help of camera have been shown with a wide variety of design ideas. So I would suggest you to kindly do try these patterns. If you want to start up a new business, then kindly go up with these patterns, because all of these patterns are absolutely amazing and stunning. And the most important thing is they are very unique, they are latest, they are upcoming design patterns and ideas which every embroidery beginner, embroidery artist, embroidery lover must try it. So I would request you to kindly do try these patterns, share your ideas, share your experiences with us, comment below the video, and don't forget to comment below the video there and let us know that how you feel about the video, how you feel about our content, how you feel about our work, how you feel about our design ideas, our suggestions. And if you want some changes, kindly suggest, and kindly do make a habit of interacting with us, and the only way of our interaction is that you put some comments below our videos, and in your comments on our videos we would respond properly and timely. So this was the persuasion, so the continuation, and the very beautiful design ideas uses. And one more thing, we have forgotten that how you can use these very beautiful patterns for designing your dresses. Yes, you can use these very beautiful floral 3D patterns which are mostly inspired by hairstyle design ideas for your dress designing, your handmade, hand knitted cardigans, your baby dresses. You can make these very beautiful landscape floral patterns onto your dresses, kurtis, and onto your handbags, onto your accessories like mobile covers and much more. So don't go anywhere, watch the video till end, kindly allow me to leave, and I will soon be with you along with a new video. So hope to see you soon back on my channel and meet you and contact you and communicate with you, interact with you back in my new video with a new classy and trendy flashy ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves, and don't forget to watch my videos on daily basis, and stay positive, spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for others, and try to help anyone who needs your help, so that the hurdles and the stones and the difficulties into your ways could be eased with the God's help. So Jazakallah, and thank you so much for watching my content.